All right, we have these substantial ceiling repairs here on this project. We had seam failure and we have cut those out, anchored them down with some screws, and we went ahead and did 3 coats of joint compound over Fibofuse. They were skinny strips, but you can see how wide we floated it out. The game changer here is we're going to be using this Festool Detail Sander attached to the CT36 HEPA vacuum. You can see how it's connected with a hose. Dust, as it's sanding, is going to suck into this thing and make it a mostly dustless experience. We're going to have Matt record me and see how quickly and efficiently and safely I can sand this long strip. one of the challenges when the cords get tangled up. It'd be nice to have somebody working with you when you do this. The cord will get tangled up and pull out of that outlet. But almost done here. So that was pretty quick, running that whole strip in about 7 minutes, even with some technological difficulties with the cord getting pulled out. You know, and the most important thing, there's no dust anywhere. I was physically able to do that relatively easy. And, you know, the quality is just on point. You can see how smooth this repair is. No more hard edges because it was too physically draining and demanding and taking too long and too messy, so you kind of gave up and said, good enough. I call that good enough syndrome. You know, you can actually finish the job and do the job the way you want it to be done. Look how nice that looks. I used a 240 grit sand block on this thing. And it wasn't just this strip. We have about 6 or 7 other ones in this room. Knocked them all out in probably like a half an hour. And as you can see, there's just no dust. There's no dust laying all over the place. 5 years ago, we would have done this, and had to have these hallways blocked off with a zip wall and take us an hour just to clean up all the dust. So this guy right here, I don't know about the orange. They have been pretty brutal, but this thing right here, gotta have it. So we have these really nice smooth repairs that we just sanded out. You can see how nice these edges are. There are no hard edges. Pretty much a seamless transition. And we're gonna seal this porous repair off. When I say porous, I just mean it hasn't been sealed. It's got some, you know, just a little bit of a softer finish than the rest of the ceiling, which has already been painted. So you'd always want to prime a large repair like that. And another advantage of spot priming is, you know, you have application texture out here from the original roll. Here you have like this ultra smooth repair. So we're going to build up some application texture with the primer coat and then 2 coats of finished ceiling paint. So now you got three coats of application to make this match. This is a smooth ceiling. We don't have sand paint or other texture to hide imperfections or inconsistencies. So really important that you get that roller application texture on the repaired areas to match the rest of the ceiling.